unleashing the power of collective wisdom, navigating the path to wealth. In ultra-modern, speedy-paced global, everybody dreams of accomplishing economic abundance and accomplishing success. The pursuit of wealth has become a familiar aspiration. However, many locate themselves unsure about the way to navigate the route towards prosperity. Albert Einstein's insightful phrases remind us that even the maximum outstanding minds depend upon the expertise of their predecessors to forge ahead. This idea holds genuine, not most effective in the realm of technological know-how, however, also in the pursuit of wealth and success. In this article, we will explore the significance of looking for assist from others, gaining knowledge from the reviews of specialists, and leveraging collective know-how to unlock the keys to success and riches. Embrace collaboration. The adventure to wealth and fulfillment may be daunting. However, you must walk this path on my own. Embrace collaboration with the aid of looking for steering from mentors, connecting with like-minded people, and constructing a network of aid. Surround yourself with folks who percentage comparable targets, as they could provide treasured insights, motivate you during difficult instances, and even provide partnership opportunities that can result in fruitful ventures. 2. Learning from the expert. As Einstein mentioned, we stand on the shoulders of giants. To excel in any field, immerse yourself inside the wisdom of those who've already reached greatness. Read biographies, watch interviews, attend seminars, and comply with the paintings of successful people in your selected area. Extract understanding from their studies and use it as a basis to build your personal path to prosperity. 3. Overcoming setbacks. The road to riches is hardly ever smooth. Setbacks and failures are inevitable, a part of the adventure. Rather than being discouraged by using these brief roadblocks, view them as stepping stones to more achievements. Learn from your errors, adapt your techniques, and persevere. As the saying is going, one brief time period setback is a protracted term saving. Each impediment triumph over brings you toward your ultimate goal. 4. Continuous learning. The pursuit of wealth is not a one-time event, however, a lifelong adventure. Dedicate yourself to non-stop mastering and private increase. Attend workshops, take guides, and discover new areas associated with your field of interest. The extra you put money into increasing your understanding, the more possibilities you may find out, leading you towards fulfillment. 5. Giving back. True wealth isn't always simplest measured in economic terms, however, also through the effect you have got on others and society as a whole. As you acquire fulfillment and financial abundance, remember to provide back to the network and support reasons you trust in. Generosity not only enriches the lives of those you help, but additionally brings an experience of success and motive to your very own existence. In end, the adventure to wealth and fulfillment isn't a solitary enterprise. Embrace the information of the past, study from the specialists, and are seeking for assist from others alongside the manner. Collaboration, resilience, and non-stop learning are the keys to unlocking the ability for greatness inside you. As you accumulate wealth and success, bear in mind to percentage your advantages with others and go away an effective effect on the arena. By following these principles, you may embark on a course that now not most effective leads to economic riches, but additionally to existence of fulfillment and meaningful accomplishments. Remember, the electricity of collective wisdom assists you to jump to new heights you might have in no way imagined feasible.